You open the door, and what do you see? A huge horse. What beautiful animals they are. The bear just wanted to eat, but as it approached the trash can, it was unexpectedly sprayed with water by something like a lawn sprinkler near the grass, scaring it badly. What do you think this woman is running from? She's fleeing in fear from a bird that entered her house, screaming as she goes. Suddenly, the bird flies out of the house straight toward her, making her even more terrified and causing her to scream even louder. This disrespectful woman, while walking her dog, sees a Palestinian flag and, for some reason, decides to take it down and walk away with it. If anyone finds or recognizes this woman, let's meet in the comments. The man on the porch is acting strangely. He's watching the house while also messing with whatever is in front of the door.
Come out. Hands up. Come out. Come out. Keep your hands up where I can see them.
These police officers arrive at the young man's house after receiving a report, and he walks out helplessly. Do you think the police are arresting him for no reason? Or did he actually commit a crime?
Get on your knees. Get on your knees. Stop talking.
You don't have to be
rude. All right. Hey, man. Go ahead and walk back here. Get up.
What could have made this man so angry? Or what might have happened between him and the car's owner? He completely smashed the car to pieces. Another failed attempt. These two thieves knock on the door, but the way they hit it makes it seem like they're just ringing the doorbell. He came out at night just to steal this bike. He even brought tools to break the lock. Who are these police officers chasing? What could have been done to warrant this many officers in pursuit? This car refuses to stop at a police signal and speeds away, triggering a chase. In the end, he stole the bike and took off with it. He arrives on a bicycle to rob a car and starts searching inside for something valuable. But the homeowner notices and warns the thief.
Hello, can you hear me? Get out! Get out! Get out now!
I have no idea what this guy's problem is. Why is he knocking over trash cans? The owner was about to take the dogs for a walk, but while trying to put a leash on them, one of the dogs suddenly became strangely aggressive. It seems like this woman doesn't know the camera is there as she leans toward it. This man is starting the motorcycle, but how exactly was he planning to take it with him? The homeowner must have said something to this man because his dog did its business in the yard. Without saying a word, the man picked up his dog's waste in a bag, but just as he was about to leave, he suddenly started arguing with the homeowner.
Let's go, Jupiter. Let's go.
People are so strange and insatiable. They come on a bike and steal another bike. Why are we so insatiable? This man also set his sights on the lights decorations of this house and took them down, stealing them. This woman is coming and watching the house. She's either sleepwalking or drunk because she's acting like it. He takes these metal pieces after getting permission from the homeowner. What a kind gesture. And luckily, when passing by the car, he didn't scratch it. They're helping a cat stuck in a tree with this car. From any angle, it's a king move. I'm not exactly sure what made him so angry, but as he was walking down the street, he suddenly started hitting the objects around him. This small trailer attached to the back of a truck is being robbed by this group. They must have come prepared as they quickly break the lock and get inside. This group of girls, on their way home from school, were hyping each other up when one of them grabbed the package in front of a house and they all ran off. What are these police officers looking for around this house? What could the homeowner have possibly done? And why are they conducting a search at night? It's all so strange.